How to disable autosave in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video, I will teach you how you can disable autosave in your WhatsApp. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to have your WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and update our WhatsApp to the latest version for this. Head over to App Store. On your App Store, search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, open that up. So if you see an update button right there instead of the open button, tap on update and update your WhatsApp so you can get the latest updates and features. After you've done that, what you can then do is head over to your WhatsApp, open it up. After you've opened up your WhatsApp, on the bottom hand side, you'll find settings. It's on the bottom right. Head over to settings. And after you're on your settings, scroll a bit and there you'll find chats option. So all you have to do is tap on chats for now. And after you tap on chats, you will see an option that says save to photos. Now this includes all the photos and videos that people send you in WhatsApp. So all that photos and videos will automatically get saved into your photos, basically your gallery. So to disable that, this is basically the autosave. So all you have to do is tap on this to disable that feature. Now your photos and videos will not autosave in your gallery. And it's that simple. And again, you can come back right here if you want to enable the feature back again. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. It was that simple. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to head down below and hit the like button and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.